Hey guys, in this video I'll show you the basics of Blockbench. So if you haven't already installed it, I'll put a link in the description. So once you're inside of Blockbench, you can choose to make a new model, or you can open a model. And since we are working with the S-tube model, we want to make this bedrock entity, like this. And the reason we do that is because when you go and you want to export it, you need to export it like this one. Alright, so you have your tools over here. And then over here you can add some cubes, and you can also see the cubes that you already made. So if you choose this one, you can add a cube, and then it's right here. And north over here, it's the front. So if you want to make a character, you have to make it face this way. So you can move the cube any way you want, and you can also resize it, and you can rotate it. And there's also this pivot tool, is like the rotation point. So if I put it up here, then when you rotate it, the cube is going to rotate around. And if you want to use this tool, you can choose to have 2 cubes. So I'm just going to duplicate it and move it a bit. And then you can use this one, you can move it like this. Or you can scale it as well. So it's going to be like this. You can also see all the things that you changed over here. So the rotation. And then there's also this center pivot, so it's gonna change this and move it to the middle of the cube. You can also mirror the modeling if you click on this one. So it's gonna be mirroring the cube on the other side of the blue line here. But you can also just duplicate the cube and then go into transform and flip it and unmix. If you want your model to be more precise, then instead of moving it like this, you can also press shift and it's gonna be moving this much. Or you can press Control and it's going to be moving even less. So once you've made a model, it can be a bit confusing when it's just all cubes here. So you can group them. And then you can choose a few things like the lights. So now it looks a lot better.